Biggest political story of the day has been a significant meeting called by Sharad Pawar and Yashwant Sinha in what seemed to be an anti-BJP front. This meeting announcement came right after Sharad Pawar had his second meeting in a week with the poll strategist Prashant Kishore. But now, a twist in that tale. As speaking to NDTV, Prashant Kishore has said that he distances himself from the third front altogether, saying it won't work. Srinivasan Jain joins us for more on this. Vasu, what exactly is he saying here?
Well, Sonal, as someone who's been in touch with Prashant Kishore for a while, this has been his position from the beginning. He says that he doesn't believe that third or fourth front works. He says that these are all options that have been tried in the past, but they simply do not have the capacity to take on the BJP in 2024. And he completely distances himself from any such attempt to cobble together a third or fourth front. Now, I think what has happened is that because he's been meeting Sharad Pawar, and subsequently this meeting of a smattering of political leaders as well as some intellectuals and others is being called tomorrow, the speculation has built around the fact that it was Prashant Kishore and Sharad Pawar who were together trying to put together some sort of third or fourth front. So I think to clarify the point that he actually is not part of any such exercise, Prashant Kishore has come on record telling me that in fact he wants nothing to do with this. That doesn't mean though, Sonal, that he and Sharad Pawar are not discussing hardcore politics. Prashant Kishore telling me that they are very much having hardcore political discussions, going state by state, wargaming, what are the possibilities, what can work and what can't work when it comes to taking on the BJP in 2024. It's just that neither of them believe that the third front model is something that is viable. So what he's trying to essentially say is that he will continue to dig into the trenches when it comes to the long haul of fighting the BJP in 2024. These meetings with Sharad Pawar are a way of both of them getting to familiarize with each other, he tells me, as they continue to hammer out all the various options. This is going to take several such meetings, he says, and it's going to be a long haul. So expect many more such gatherings and many more such meetings with Sharad Pawar, but not of this third front model. That is essentially what is emerging from Prashant Kishore. So this is the big breaking news. But the idea that both of them are sitting together and cobbling up a third front, he says, is completely not true.
How very fascinating, Vasu, because it's the same Prashant Kishore who in an interview to you earlier had said that he doesn't want to get into politics anymore. He doesn't want to keep doing this any longer. So what exactly are these meetings with Sharad Pawar and other leaders meant to be?
Well, it is true, Sonal, that he did say that he doesn't want to be doing the individual business of working with political leaders, state governments mostly, where he was trying to help them win A or B election. And to that extent, he says he's standing by that position. There are going to be a number of assembly elections between now and 2024, but according to Prashant Kishore, he is not going to be part of that. His company that he set up, IPAC, will continue to work with state governments, but he says, and with individual political leaders, but he says he's not part of that. He seems to be digging in to look at the bigger prize, which is the 2024 elections and how to take on the BJP. And to that end, he says, he's sitting down with Mr. Pawar and trying to hammer out what is the best way to beat the BJP. So it may not be the conventional model of how it's been working so far with him working with a party A or B for an individual state election. He seems to be crafting some kind of wider role for himself, not just as a poll strategist, perhaps something more. That's what we'll have to wait and see. But certainly, it has set the cat among the pigeons with him now coming out and completely dismissing this third or fourth front speculation.